Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Pagaria 2-in-1 multifunction audio transmitter and receiver. The model number is KN330. Now the front side of the package is littered with stickers and we have a little QR code at the top right for you to register the product to receive warranty coverage. Then on this side, we see that it uses Bluetooth 5.0. It offers stereo sound transmission and reception. There's low latency between the signals, and they're advertising no noise. On the other end, we can see a compatibility table with tablets, laptops, smartphones, earphones, music playing devices that are powered by Bluetooth, and lastly, headphones. Support and contact information is at the bottom and on the top. And on the back side of the packaging, we have a little quick start guide, you could say, in which you can see the device being set up in transmitter mode as well as receiver mode and what all you can do with the same. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So we have a little bit of documentation on the inside. This is the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. Then you have the Pagaria 2-in-1 transmitter receiver and a stereo cable. The stereo cable is your standard 3.5 mm stereo jack with TRS holes, that is tip ring sleeve, so you can only transmit 2 channels of audio. Let's take a look at the cable length. So this should be about 60 centimeters or so, 50 to 60 centimeters. And lastly, you have the device, which is very compact. On one end, that is the far end, you have the 3.5 mm socket for inserting the aux cable. Then you have a standard USB connector on the other end. This is a type A connector. And on the side, you have a little slide switch, which allows you to switch between TX and RX. TX stands for transmission, RX stands for reception. This is how you can switch between the 2 modes that have been stated at the back of the packaging. So that's it for the Pagaria KN330 wireless transmitter and receiver device. Thank you for watching.